Apple Intelligence is a scam. That's right, Apple Intelligence is misleading everybody and promising features Apple can't even deliver, and this is only the tip of the iceberg. Going back to June 2024, in WWDC 24, Apple promised a new improved Siri with in-app awareness, personal context, and doing actions for you, along with other AI features like writing tools, Genmoji, image playground, and much more. And while the other AI features did come out along the end of 2024 to the beginning of 2025, the new Siri was the headlining feature and it wasn't even released. And we were promised the new Siri with iOS 18.4 with the other AI features promised for April 2025, but it got delayed. And now it will be delayed until the iPhone 17's released, which is just terrible, especially when Apple promised it at the iPhone 16's release. I mean, what now? iPhone 18, the new Siri will release? And things are even worse at Apple's end as they are struggling to make the new Siri. And this is why I say Apple Intelligence is a scam. Apple is promising more than they can actually deliver, and they've misled everyone by making a shiny new preview from WWDC 24, hyping up everyone's expectations, and now giving us absolutely nothing. It's just terrible. Even taking down the ad featuring the new Siri to try to cover up the mistake. They've targeted Apple Intelligence throughout the whole lineup of Apple products and made the whole iPhone 16 lineup center around Apple Intelligence. And now, well, they actually delivered from the Apple Intelligence updates an extremely underwhelming AI compared to Google Gemini and Galaxy AI. So seriously, if you're in the market for a new iPhone, do not consider the built for Apple Intelligence tag on all the marketing posters and consider what you actually need. If you made it here to the end of the video, I'd like to say a big thank you as it supports this channel a lot. Anyways, comment down below what you think about the Apple Intelligence situation. Will you be getting a product with the Apple Intelligence, or do you think it's a scam? Comment down below and I'll see you later.